If you've ever flown a drone, you know how great it feels. You pull the levers and suddenly you're flying your own tiny plane. It's exciting. This is Metafly. And flying it is exciting on a completely different level. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's level 11 exciting. Maybe even 12. Metafly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do. So it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone. It's an ornithopter. But really it's more than that. It's a Metafly. Metafly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. You know how a bird flies into your house and can navigate around everything without hitting anything? Metafly can do that, because it mimics the natural movement of the bird with its synthetic wings. See what we did there? That's science explaining awesomeness. Metafly flies just like in nature. It can take turns, fly slow or fast, and can maneuver around anything. It can also glide and be controlled to glide left and right. With those abilities, Metafly is one of the few RC flying objects that can actually fly in small spaces. Here it is flying in an office. Here it is flying in a house. Here it is flying in an even smaller house. Outdoors, Metafly can enjoy its full speed. By changing the direction of its tail, Metafly can fly faster when its tail is down, or more controllable when it's up. Due to its 2-channel remote control that allows for further range, no interference, and maximum control, you can fly Metafly super fast towards those dense trees and then maneuver between them like only a Metafly can. Now that's even level 13 exciting. Oh, and don't worry about crashing. Metafly has elastic wings and legs, in addition to both front and back bumpers to protect its body. Take that, tree! Metafly is the result of more than 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of Metafly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool dude, created the first successful mechanic bird together with Edwin's father. Much later, Edwin himself successfully crowdfunded and delivered Bionic Bird. Now, he's diving even deeper into the world of biomimetics to take flight abilities even further. So if you want to fly just like animals in nature do, get Metafly and get ready to immerse yourself in an experience like no other. Metafly.
My name is Laurent Schnauer, I'm co-founder of Fly. I'm really passionate about new technologies and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fly is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fly eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible. So based on this, we managed to convince Pierre Loest, who is a famous Belgian entrepreneur, but also a talented drone pilot. He became really enthusiastic about the project and decided to invest.
Every single day on this planet, someone is injured or killed by a landmine. Removing them is very time-consuming and dangerous. Millions of landmines litter the landscapes of the war-torn countries around the world. My name is Masoud Hassani and I want to change this. Our mission is to solve the landmine problems within 10 years. In 2012, we have launched our first Kickstarter campaign. It is called the Minecathon. A low-cost wind-powered anti-landmine detonator. It rolls along on a desert. When it hits a landmine, it blows itself up and it destroys the landmine in the same time. After 3 years of hard work, we brought our mission to the next level. Now we are very excited to introduce you our newest robotic invention, the Minecraft drone. It is an airborne demining system which aims to reduce landmines in less than 10 years globally. Minecraft drone flies above a dangerous area. It generates a 3D map. Then it detects landmines with a metal detector and GPS coordinates. The drone has a robotic arm which places detonators on top of a landmine and blows them up from a safe distance. These three methodologies combined makes the Minecraft drones up to 20 times faster than the traditional technologies. It is safer and up to 200 times cheaper. Imagine if we could fly with hundreds of Minecraft drones all over the affected landscapes worldwide and free the world from landmines. Now it's our final goal to bring the Minecraft drones to a pilot in order to be able to test them on different environments and weather conditions. This is needed to prove and show to the demining organizations that the Minecraft drone is faster, cheaper and safer than the existing technologies. With such a disruptive approach, we could save thousands of lives. We need your support to make this happen. Please join our campaign and let's have a landmine-free world, because one less landmine means one saved life. We are looking forward to collaborate with you on this project.
What if your smartphone could do something more? Something you never imagined a phone could do? Well, we've done it. We've taken your smartphone and made it fly. There's an entire realm that has never been tapped by a smartphone until now. Introducing Phone Drone Ethos, the first and only device that allows your smartphone to access the third dimension. With Phone Drone Ethos, we've leveraged the sensor, processor, and wireless capability of your smartphone. What you get is a powerful, cloud-connected aerial vehicle at a fraction of the cost of a typical drone. Ethos doesn't even require two phones. Just use a single device and set your mission. Or you can tether it to another device for real-time control and FPV. Phone Drone is packable and can be broadly extended. Not only that, but Phone Drone Ethos is the first drone that can be controlled from Apple Watch. Our team will be releasing the Phone Drone Controller API to the market, allowing developers to build drone capability into their existing apps and even create completely new apps around this technology. With over 10 million mobile app developers in the industry, Phone Drone Ethos will have the largest potential developer community in existence. Imagine the innovation. Where will it go? Image recognition, obstacle avoidance, swarm operation through the cloud. We know the possibilities are endless. But we need your help. We need you to join in on the revolution. Be one of the first to usher in the new drone era and let Phone Drone Ethos give your smartphone access to the third dimension.
What if there was an aerial camera platform that really could capture your world from any perspective? Something completely different from anything you've seen before. An aerial platform that was portable, unbelievably rugged, powerful, and simple to use. One that you could take with you anywhere without a lot of hassle. Introducing Sprite, the world's most portable and rugged unmanned aerial vehicle. Whether you're an active outdoor enthusiast or a serious professional who just needs to get the job done, Sprite is as portable, rugged, and hardworking as you are. The motors and electronics are all sealed tightly into the airframe, keeping them safe from dust, dirt, and water, whether that's happening in the backyard or the backcountry. It even floats. But it's also really easy to use. With Sprite's powerful autopilot, you can create three-dimensional GPS flight paths. You can change speed, hold a position, fly circles, a survey pattern, even scan structures or regions of interest, all while keeping the camera pointed right where you want it. Sprite can even follow you to capture that ultimate perspective. Or if you like, you can fly Sprite with an optional remote control transmitter. The automatic, controllerless flight modes let you program Sprite and leave the controllers back at base camp or at home. The airframe is made up of durable connecting sections, making it super easy to change batteries or even payloads on the go, without tools. Sprite comes with a camera mounted on a one-axis stabilized gimbal to take crystal clear video and still images in full high definition. A GoPro module with a two-axis stabilized gimbal is also available and attaches to Sprite in seconds. Because Sprite is modular, you'll be able to easily add new cameras, sensors, network communications hardware, and other accessories as they become available. We've spent more than 2 years perfecting Sprite, and the hard part is behind us. We now need your help to get us over the final hurdle and into production. But to get Sprite out of our backpack and into your hands, we need to know that the world is just as interested in a portable, rugged, and simple-to-use aerial platform as we are. Please support us on Kickstarter. Choose a reward that's best for you and help spread the word among your friends, family, and colleagues. Tell anyone who you think can use an unmanned aerial vehicle as portable, rugged, powerful, and simple to use as Sprite. Please visit our website for more information and details about Sprite and about us. And thanks for your help. The future of Sprite is in your hands.